In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal balance instead of credit card. By the end, you'll have your account set to use your PayPal balance first whenever you check out online, which is great if you want tighter control over spending or keep cards as a backup. Start by signing into your PayPal account on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner for your profile or gear icon. That's the shortcut to your account settings. Click it, then open Account Settings. On the Settings page, use the left-hand menu and choose Payment Preferences. This section manages how PayPal funds your purchases. On the Payment Preferences page, find the area labeled Your Preferred Way to Pay Online. It usually appears near the top of the page. To the right of that line, you'll see a Set button. That's the one you want. Go ahead and click Set. If you're following an on-screen guide that highlights parts of the page, simply click on the highlighted area to jump right to the correct control. Now you'll be asked to choose your preferred funding source. Select PayPal Balance. This tells PayPal to use the money available in your account first when you make a purchase. After selecting PayPal Balance, click Confirm to save your choice. That's the change done. From now on, when you pay online with PayPal, it will try your balance before moving to any linked card or bank as a backup. A few tips to keep in mind. If you don't see PayPal Balance as an option, it might be because your balance is zero, funds are still pending, or regional account rules require a linked funding source. Also, the wording or placement of payment preferences can vary slightly by region or account type, but it's always in Account Settings and on the left-hand menu. If the interface shows a highlighted prompt or button during this process, that's simply guiding you to exactly where to click, so follow the highlight to proceed. After confirming, it's a good idea to make a small test purchase or review your next checkout screen to verify that PayPal balance appears as the selected funding source. If your balance doesn't cover the full amount, PayPal will automatically use your designated backup, so you don't need to change anything else. And that's it. You've set PayPal to use your balance first, with your credit card safely standing by as a backup when needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, more predictable checkouts with your PayPal balance.